Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Android supports USB OTG, or you have a microcontroller with GPO pins to bridge to the LED. Once done, assemble the LED circuit. LED, 220 ohms resistor to limit current, and breadboard or prototyping wires. Plug the USB to TTL adapter or Arduino into the Android via OTG cable and grant USB permission when prompted. Make sure you install a serial terminal app or upload the simple Blink sketch to the microcontroller. Now program the microcontroller or prepare your Android app to send control signals. Upload a Blink sketch that toggles a digital pin or implement simple UART command parsing. Once done, wire the LED to the chosen digital pin with the resistor and connect ground to the adapter ground. Common ground is essential. In the Android terminal, set the correct baud rate and serial parameters, then send a test command or use the sketch to observe blinking. If the LED toggles, you have serial control working. Finish by securing the circuit, mounting the LED safely, and ensuring the power source is stable. If you use USB power, confirm the Android supplies enough current. Once stable, tweak resistor value to adjust brightness while keeping current safe. Do not exceed the LED's rating. Make sure your app sends correct commands and pin mappings match the sketch. If nothing happens, check the common ground first, then verify OTG power, cable orientation, and that the microcontroller pin numbers match your wiring. This one check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.